So this is where like the North African thing meets like Southern California, because you turn this into a taco, right?
Yeah, exactly. My father's North African, but I grew up here in San Diego, and I kind of just wanted to make a combination of things that I loved cooking and eating while growing up. It's got a good little weight to it. Instead of tortilla, we put nice pita there underneath. We have the tzatziki on the bottom, our fresh house-made merguez, a spicy North African sausage. The arugula.
Yep, it's fresh and green.
Fresh, green, adds a nice texture component.
A little salad.
Tomato, cucumber, pico de gallo, so it's lemon, mint, salt, really simple. Queso fresco, which is really mild Mexican cheese, kind of bringing in the flavors of Baja too. Balances out the heat of the sausage there. Pickled onions, fresh in-house. A little bit of Morocco, a little bit of Baja, and
a lot of San Diego.
A lot of San Diego.
That looks amazing. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? It's like tacos on a whole different level. So happy to be in San Diego. This is the second leg of the great food truck race Gold Coast. Let's get San Diego started properly with a truck stop challenge. You guys ready to do it?
Yeah!
Hey everybody, welcome to the Extra Mile. The competition is off and running here in San Diego, California. The teams are gonna be hitting the streets. We'll check in with them later. But right now, let's go hit this incredible food festival down at Ocean Beach. I can't wait to check it out. All right, so the Super Sope truck, they picked a good spot for sure. We're here at the Ocean Beach Farmers Market. Happens every Wednesday, and it's obviously really good rock and roll. Great live street food, amazing, impeccable produce, and all kinds of good stuff. All right, so tell me what you got in the wok.
This is spicy jerk chicken. It's one of our ultimate favorites. It has a little heat to it, but it's pretty good. That comes straight off the grill and goes to the wok, and I start saucing it out.
Which one do you prefer, the sweet or the spicy?
I give you both.
This is where like the real culture in the city can be. Street festivals and street fairs and that kind of stuff. I love this. That's spicy?
Yes, sir.
It's all right.
That's sweet. We try not to kill them.
Really great, man. Look at that, man. That's amazing. How big is this pizza?
28 inches.
Size is everything, right?
Inches.
Size
is everything.
Can you cut me a slice of that?
Yeah, we definitely can.
Pepperoni extra cheese. Like the pepperoni smells nice and spicy. I like that.
Guys, I'm out of here in OB.
That's big, dude. Look at that. The size of my head.
Size.
So, look at that. Come on. Wow, this is beautiful, man.
So this is one of the famous street food from Turkey, which is called tantuni. We are serving with chicken, beef, or we have vegan option, which is chickpeas.
Tell me about the flavor, man. It looks very zesty, very spicy. What's in it?
The flavoring part coming from cumin.
Turkish cumin.
Turkish cumin, yeah.
Love
also,
that.
Sweet paprika.
These are tortillas?
Yeah, we soak them with all the juice and we flip it over. We put some sumac spice over it.
I love it.
Cranberry, citrusy, super yummy taste.
It's like, take a look at this level street food. This is not like hot dogs and turkey legs. This is like something else, man. Inside, right?
Tomato, parsley, some onion.
Kind of roll up nice and tight. That's a thing of beauty, man. That's spectacular. Amazing, like Mediterranean flavors, right? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Boom. Wow. Good morning, teams. How you doing? We are at one of my favorite up-and-coming restaurants here in San Diego, El Jardin. Chef Claudette is going to come by your truck and she's going to taste every single octopus dish. Claudette, hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you so much for helping out with the challenge today. Was that fun or what?
It was really fun.
Listen, octopus is not for everybody. It's a hard thing to make for sure. Right?
Yeah.
These are beautiful. What are you making?
So we're doing our squash blossoms, crab salpicón, which is a crab citrus salad, and then we have queso fresco with quesillo, Oaxacan quesillo, blended up with all of our herbs from the garden. We have cilantro, hoja santa, epazote, oregano, all whipped.
Oh my God, that's great.
With an habanero mayo, and it's really good.
Tonight is my son's birthday.
Okay.
My oldest son, Miles, is turning 23 today.
Okay.
And he's with me on the road trip, which is kind of fun. And my youngest son, Hayden, is with us too. Okay. So it's going to be a boys' night out. Can we come up for dinner tonight?
Absolutely.
What sounds good?
I think our whole fish is really good. We have beautiful black sea bass. We do it, set it up on the wood grill, get it nice and seared, and we finish it inside.
Can I see the fish? Is that cool? Do you mind? You want to make one for us?
Let's make one for you. So striped sea bass from Pacific aquaculture. This is a dish that is famous from Nayarit, where my family is from. This is a guajillo ancho adobo. It has a little bit of vinegar. It has a little bit of Japanese mayo.
I love all your like cross-cultural references, right?
It's
like,
important.
It is because like at this day and age, you know, we're sophisticated enough to kind of pull from this like global shelf.
We're not doing modern Mexican food. We are modern Mexican.
We are modern Mexican food. I love that. How do you serve this?
On this giant volcanic stone with a fennel slaw and tortillas.
Ta-da! Good, nice flip, chef. Nice flip. It's really fresh, and so there's everything from the garden. You get cucumber, fennel. There's hearts of fire sorrel. And look how tender this fish is. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful.
I think they'll have fun.
He's gonna love it. Can't wait to see it tonight. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look at that, man. That's the most beautiful guacamole I think I've ever seen, man. So this is sea bass that is farmed off the coast of Baja, California. They get it chucked up every single day. And it's braised with this beautiful El Pastor marinade. That fish is spectacular. I'd try it, man. Chef, oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that, man. Happy birthday to you. That cake is outstanding, man. Did you love that? So good, man. Listen, guys, we've had so much fun here in San Diego. Thank you so much for watching The Extra Mile, and we'll see you guys next week on the road. Thank you so much for watching Food Network's YouTube channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Also turn on the bell for more notifications for fantastic shows like The Extra Mile, and we'll see you guys next week on the road. Thanks a lot.